Hey everybody, I am going to mallet smash these cabinets. I'm going to finally repaint the downstairs bathroom, which is the one that has the painted door of mine, and now it's going to have painted cabinets. Yay! Obviously, if we ever sell this house, unless the new buyers are extremely eclectic, I will be having to replace all this. But that is not happening anytime soon. So, I am using Valspar paint mixed with Floetrol and water. This is the paint. And then I mixed it with Floetrol and water like I do for all my other pours. So let's just get these. Covered. I suppose I can tilt onto this one. A little bit more. Oh, that one's a lot thinner. And I did clean and sand and prime these, but they're still pretty gnarly and old. So there's a chance that it could peel. And that's just because, I'm putting a whole bunch of wet paint on top of this, and I did not strip them down to the bone because, quite honestly, that was a lot more work than I wanted to do. So, if that happens, I will just fix it, repaint it, whatever. Not a biggie. It's just 40-year-old cabinets. They are old. Alright. Okay, so they're sitting on weights right now, and the weights are a little uneven, but the floor is also, so that's why they're not lining up right now. Ew, I definitely want to tilt this more because I can't even see the indents for the design of the panel. Alright. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe I should be tilting it up. These things, I cannot believe, these are the same ones that were in my kitchen. And when I redid my kitchen, oh my gosh, I did like 30 of these. Oh my god, I just want to die by the end. Alright, I'm going to take all the lids off to start with. So these are the same colors I've been using lately. So I got my mystery blue, my ARTEZA neon pink, my ARTEZA yellow, and I'm adding ARTEZA rose madder, which is a beautiful red. Alright. Oh, that was dumb. course it is what it is. I was afraid to hit too hard because I don't want it. I have finished paintings all around me. But check it out. That is not even what I was thinking would happen. I thought it would be way more controlled, forgetting that I was hitting on wood versus canvas. Super cool. Way cool. Look how gorgeous that is. I felt it on my toe. Alright, so now to separate these. There we go. Oh my gosh. Crap. Shoot. And I did not see that happening. I guess I'm going to have to tilt almost all the color off. I didn't think about that. The other side is handling it much better. There. I did not like the way it was. There. Now they're more together looking. Just say that my basement having concrete floors is the greatest blessing on earth. Very cool. Very cool. I am really hoping that these are, I need to move them to a flatter place to dry. So once I turn off with you, I will be taking them over to a drying rack that is level. How much fun is that? And that's exactly where the handles are gonna go. Right now the handles are, they're just these boring silver one. You know, I was going to paint them. I may leave them silver. It might look good. We'll see. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited about these. I'll catch you next time. Bye. Hey everybody, here are the doors in use. They look really good, but I just went to throw something away and I'm like, gosh darn it, what spilled on the door? So it will take some time to get used to. But I also painted, remember, it used to be dark brown. Oops, no, there. It's very, very light gray. But anywho, the doors turned out great. Bye.